Hey there, bartenders and servers. Today I'm going to help you become better at spotting fake IDs. It's a crucial skill to ensure you're serving responsibly and keeping your establishment safe. First off, take your time when you're checking an ID. I know it can get busy, but rushing through this can lead to mistakes. Give the ID a good look, even if you've got a line of customers. Next, always check the birth date. Here's a quick trick. Add 20 to the birth year, then add one more for good measure and compare it to the current year. Simple, right? Now feel the surface of the ID for any bumps or irregularities. This could indicate tampering. Also, look for pinholes or other signs of forgery. Another tip is to examine the fonts. Make sure the fonts and numbers are consistent throughout the ID. Any discrepancies? Huge red flag. Photo quality is also important. The photo should be high quality and match the person presenting the ID. If the photo looks low quality, it might be a fake. Use the FEAR method. Feel, examine, ask, return. Feel the ID for physical anomalies. Examine it for features like holograms. Ask the holder questions about their information. And finally, return the ID if it looks valid. So what do you do if you suspect an ID is fake? Politely explain that you can't accept it. Ask for another form of identification. And remember, don't confront or accuse the individual. Stay professional. If needed, inform your manager or security personnel. Proper training and awareness are key. Always stay updated on the latest ID features and legal requirements. For more detailed information and training, consider visiting resources like ACE Food Handler and ACE training platforms. By following these guidelines, you can help ensure a safe and legal environment for your patrons and your establishment. Keep up the great work and stay vigilant. See you next time.